Hey, welcome back, guys. It's Charlie. It's Wednesday. Yeah, it's Wednesday. I took yesterday off. Needed a mental day. I think we all do sometimes. So I hope you guys are all doing well. If you're in the Midwest, you know that Mother Nature doesn't like us right now. Yesterday here it was 55 and sunny. Today it is 28 and cloudy. So I definitely hope it's warmer where you're at. We're at McAllister's doing this order. Just gonna jump into the day. The smoke's kind of blown over from the video from a couple days ago. But I'm gonna talk a little bit about what restaurants and DoorDash can and probably should do to cut down on drivers stealing food, drivers being accused of stealing food. So that's what we're going to talk about. Anyway, let's go inside and get this order. I did pick up a couple more GoPro batteries yesterday, so I definitely won't have any issues running low on battery. Sweet and smoky chicken. Actually, that's really good. I need to start eating breakfast before I start driving. Got that handed off. Schools, medical places. I just don't record. Oh, it's brisk. Be throwing my coat on for sure today. 590 Panera, just over 2 miles. And it's not ready. Besley? Yes. Great, thank you. Have a good one. You too. All right, we're gonna head to Applebee's. Got a 5:50. All right, it's early in the day. They don't look busy, so hopefully they have their stuff together. They got one table. Two drinks. Oh, yeah, 2 drinks. Okay. One building, 2 different addresses. Hello. Am I in the right place?
Yes, you are.
Okay.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Glad somebody knew I was in the right place. We finally got an order. I don't really like it, but it's like the first one we've had in 30 minutes. $9, 9 item, 1 mile, Walgreens. At least it gets me out of the car. The day so far has been a grind. Now I already don't like this. Goodell's have some runway red. Okay. So we're looking for that. And that. Which, is that it? We're getting lucky so far. We're getting really lucky. It was at this moment I realized I'm glad I'm a guy. What the heck? Okay. Do the do. And 16-ounce Coke. With me is fine.
All right.
Great, thank you. I just noticed editing that there's an alarm on the hand sanitizer.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
These orders. Ho! That was almost bad. I was going to say these orders have been about as rough as the weather. It is just a absolutely thin layer of ice. Well, we turned down this order, and then this order, and then this order, and we went ahead and took this. Jersey Mike's.
Hi.
Hi, got a DoorDash for Taylor.
There you go.
Great, thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Said to text him, which we did, and leave it at the left door if it was locked, which it is. All these parking lots are just becoming a sheet of ice. Well, yeah, it's just ice now. Barcode scanners. That's what they should do. DoorDash, if you've been doing DoorDash for any length of time where you've picked up an in-store order from Walmart, you can't actually confirm that you picked that order up until you scan the barcode on that item. You also can't complete the order until you scan the barcode when you go to drop it off. And it won't let you do that unless you are actually at the customer's address. And they're still leave at doors, so you still have a picture to take. I've seen McDonald's and Panda Express here. They've got barcode systems now where they scan the order. Apparently they scan the order out before they give it to you. It's something easy, efficient, and there's an actual record of it. From it leaving the restaurant, you accepting it, you scanning it when you drop it off. What do we got here? $7 5 mile Mr. Hooey's. Why not? Hello. Got one for Miguel.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Miguel?
Thank you very much.
Have a good one.
You too.
Got an Honest Abe 650. Probably the best order I've seen today. Yeah, that's our order. Thanks. That's not the whole order. He's slacking. It's got 5 things. I'm guessing 2 of them are milkshakes. See, this is why you don't confirm pickup before you leave the restaurant. Because there should be shakes. There should be a birthday cake and a banana-rama.
Can I get those 2 shakes real quick?
No, I'm just questioning people's sanity as cold as it is outside. Let's order milkshakes.
That's what we exactly step back here.
It's like 10 degrees outside. Let's order a freaking blizzard. It's an ice skating rink. Oh, these stairs look fun. Oh my god. Hey, what's the name on it?
Oh,
Okay.
girlfriend.
Yeah, there you go. Have a good one. We got this $7 Hong Kong. Oh, at least somebody put some ice melt down. Hello. Yes, for Cody. Yep, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, for Megan. Thank you. Oh. And there's no handles. That's great. It's gonna be like 10 minutes of me slipping, sliding, and almost falling. So it's about 4:30. We've been out for 6 hours. Currently finished up 11. I don't even know where I saw that. 15 deliveries. We broke $100. I'm gonna do something that I don't normally do, and that's take a break. I'm not gonna drive during rush hour. There's just too many vehicles. Some of the intersections are starting to get icy. Side roads are getting icy. So, I'm gonna take a little bit of a break. Yes, we are done driving for the day. It was not a great day. It was a better day than this guy had. Yes, after that we decided we're done driving. We are not going to share the road with people that can't drive. So, we were online for 6 hours and 3 minutes. We completed 15 deliveries for a whopping 101.40. $74 miles, averaging $1.36 a mile. Woohoo! About 3 gallons of gas, or right close to $10. Tomorrow, we will be out driving. We're gonna play it by ear in the morning. We are under a winter weather advisory. And from midnight until noon tomorrow, we will be under a wind chill advisory. Wind gusts up to 40 miles an hour, making the temp feel about -25. Exciting. Anyway, definitely a shorter video, shorter day. But tomorrow's always a new adventure. So, appreciate you guys watching, liking, and subscribing. Have a great night. We'll see you tomorrow.